Okay guys, I'm back. I have looked at the stuff in the box, and it looks like you have two choices when putting on the magnetic thing on your phone. So you either have this one right here, which you need a sticker to put on, or you can do what I'm going to do. You can use this clip here and put it on your phone. So I'm using my web camera right now when recording, so it's not that nice, I guess. So I'm just gonna stick it here and do like this. So you can see on the back is the magnetic thing, and I'll put it over my Bixby button because I don't really use Bixby at all. I would like to get rid of it, basically. So here's the phone, Samsung S9 Plus with the magnetic thing on, and then you have to align this dot, which looks upside down. So I will do it again, take it off, and I will put it on again like this, and extend it and grip over like this. Nice, very simple and quick. And then you see the dot here, this one. You need to align this one with the same dot on the DJI. Put it down. I don't want to block anything from the camera, of course. So I have extended it, and I will look for the dot. You see the dot is up here. Here is the dot. So I'm going to put the camera up here, and it attaches. And it's sort of like a lifeless limb. And then what you do is that you press the, where is it here? The M button to power on and calibrate, supposedly. So let's try it. I'm pressing M. Things are making noise, and see if you can see this. It has been calibrated and is supposedly straight. And then we should be able to control the camera. We can, for example, move around with the joystick to the left, so to right, to the left, up and down. So that's working really nice, and it looks like it's stabilizing when you sort of move it around. If you move it with your hand, you see here, it is keeping it stable. So I will do some tests, but I'm really happy so far with the how easy it was to actually put it all together. So if it actually is filming good as well, then I'm really happy with this product so far. I will put up a third clip. We have done the unboxing, this was the assembly, and the third clip will be some sample recordings. Stay tuned. Bye for now. And in order to actually control the DJI, to control your phone through the DJI OM4 gimbal, you need to install the app, of course. I forgot to mention that, the DJI Mimo app, which I will be doing right now. And once that's connected and you are connected to your gimbal, you should be all set to go. So since I'm a completely new gimbal user, 100% never used one before, we can run a test. The app is loading as we speak, or as I speak. So once it's downloaded and installed, I will, as a soon-to-be 50-year-old guy, see if it's straightforward and intuitive enough for an average user to just start using this. So that will be a really nice test. It's a bit slow today, the network. Only 40% downloaded. But we're getting there. So have you used any gimbal before? If you're watching this video, what are your experiences with using gimbals? Have you used DJI products before? The media niche, or the creativity niche, is completely new for me. I've only been working with the software development, creating affiliate websites, and but I have some creativity growing inside of me, so I want to start creating video and YouTube clips and stuff like that. So it's downloaded. I will open it, and this is how it looks. It wants access to media, allow, loading resource files, terms and policies, whatnot. I will just agree whoever reads that. Allow location access, yes. So here is the screen after installation, and let's see what's next. Do I need to, yeah, you see it comes up here. Tap here to connect it to a device, so let's do that. And it's searching, so hopefully it will find my DJI OM4. It is online. And it's blinking green at the moment. Do I need to keep it closer? You can see both of them here. Place it near. It says, should I place it on? Is that helping? Let's see. Where is the dot? Still not found. Do I? Okay. That's not good. Make sure it's powered on and place it near your mobile phone. This is as near as it gets, I would say. Do I have Bluetooth on? Even? Yep. Okay, that's strange. Should we restart? And start this one again. Still not found. Should we? Is it a compatibility issue? Hope not. Should support S9 Plus as far as I could read. Okay, I will do the classic solution. Restart the phone. I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I have restarted my phone, and I've also inserted the connection between the phone and the gimbal. I don't think that should be required, but maybe the batteries are low in the actual gimbal. So for now I will just keep it like this. And you see up here it says device found, so I'll use the connect up here. and OM4 sounds correct, and I will agree on a bunch of stuff. Activate your DJI device when you connect it for the first time to receive warranty. Boo boo boo. Ensure Bluetooth is properly connected. Yeah, okay, next. Not authorized. DJI enable. Why not? Next. Okay, log in. Do I need to create an account? Oh, I hate this. Register Mimo account. Oh, okay, I have to do that. Stay tuned again. Okay, back again. I have registered and I am logging in. Where am I? Yes, I'm logged in, so I'll press next and I will put it on here again, and I will activating. No, I don't want to purchase. Feedback, no. Cancel, I don't want to exit, I want to finish. Go to questionnaire. Aha, blah 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 blah. Sorry DJI, I will do this another time with a more higher ambition. Mail, that's correct at least. Oh, this one. I'm just barely making it under 50, a while longer. Contact information, submit. Finished. Activation successful. Okay, so now, finally, I guess we're all set. To balance your mobile phone, adjust the position of the magnetic phone clamp. Okay. Move joystick, do this, do that, and yeah, a tutorial. I think we're done. Install firmware update. Download new firmware automatically. Install. Firmware is good stuff. You always want to have updated firmware to keep your stuff working properly. So, what's happening? I don't like the blinking down here. But I guess that's how it looks when the firmware is being installed. Hopefully. Yeah, it's moving from 50 to 77. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I got a bit worried that you see the red light blinking down there. Usually not a good sign. So patience is key when doing firmware updates, since you go inside the actual hardware to update stuff. If you sort of disconnect or power off your hardware, it can really do damage, so just wait for the update to finish. This is actually my first ever unboxing and I don't know, how-to tutorial hardware guide. It's not even a guide, it's just me trying to do it. So by me doing the mistakes, hopefully you guys can avoid them, or tell me what I should have done instead, if you know better, which you probably do. And if I was supposedly doing another unboxing tutorial, getting assemblies blah blah video. I'm sure there's tons of stuff I should be doing differently, like learning to speak English for one. Okay, 99%. We should be good to go soon. We have a sound, we have a thing in the way. Updated successfully. Okay, done. Allow Mimo. Ooh, it's alive. Allow sound. Okay. Jesus, how many steps can there be? The newly updated Mimo brings you exciting blah blah blah. Got it. Swipe to select the shooting mode, such as this or that. Only 20% battery remaining. So, in a sense, it feels like you're actually charging this using your phone. Doesn't make sense. But I don't know. Have to look into that. So now, I'm actually going to remove this one. And it just hangs there. Interesting. And like this, and I'm going to disconnect. That's what. And the gimbal is turned off. And now, if I turn it on, it should once more calibrate. DJI connected to the app, as you can maybe can see, I don't know. Can you see? Yeah, sort of. So basically it is shooting my screen. So if I press this button, nothing happened. What now? And I'm still in the tutorial for the actual custom settings done. Swipe to select. Okay. Can I actually? Oh, it's a zoom. Let's see if it's. Can you see? Yeah, it's zooming. Can you see that? So we have connection to the app at least. That's cool. So then I just need to learn how to actually use the gimbal. That's in another video. Some samples and I don't know, like a review video maybe. This was the getting started or not, how not to get started video. You'll be the judge of that. I'm out for lunch. Take care. This is Eric at Income Grinders. Bye bye. Yes, one final note before I leave you guys. Of course, I found the actual point where you insert the load, sort of the USB connector for loading, charging your gimbal. It's down here. The one I had in the beginning, of course, was the phone to the gimbal connector used when doing the firmware updates, which are, like I said, important to keep updated. So now my gimbal is up to date with the latest firmware, and I will put the gimbal on charging while I will go and get some lunch. Yes.